As we're gearing up for St. Paddy's Day, you may have already picked up your corned beef and a head of cabbage for dinner and dug out a bottle of Irish whiskey so you can make an authentic Irish coffee. But to ensure that you have the luck of the Irish, you're going to need a dessert that's worth its weight in gold, like this easy one that goes together like this. We begin by beating a box of white cake mix with a couple packages of pistachio pudding, milk, vegetable oil, water, and a few eggs. After it's smooth, we pour it into a 9x13 pan and pop it in the oven. While it's baking, we whip up an Irish cream frosting by beating together some heavy cream with milk, a package of pistachio pudding mix, and a bit of Irish cream. When our cake is cool, we'll spread on the frosting. Then just sprinkle on a few pistachios and go to town. In every bite, you get the moistness of the cake, thanks to the pudding mix in the batter, the rich creamy frosting that's spiked with Irish cream, and the welcoming crunch from the nuts. To get the recipe for what we call our Luck of the Irish cake, all you have to do is go online. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and we're not just searching for a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. We're also on the lookout for lots of, ooh, it's so good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's delicious.